Thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 6 of my daily Advent unboxing and creating, where I am opening a Advent package from Cora Crea crafts and then using the materials that's inside the package to try to create something that I can use in a junk journal. So if you've been here before, I welcome you back. If this is your first time, there's a link to this playlist series down in the description box in case you'd like to go back and catch up on days 1 through 5. So without further ado, let's open up day 6. I hope y'all are enjoying this unboxing and creating series. I am trying to save this package material because I would like to come back and create with this at some point. So I'm trying to be careful and not destroy this packing or cut anything that's inside the packages. Some of them have opened up easier than others. So let's see if I can cut this open here. Like there's something right there at the top I don't want to cut. I'm not doing a very good job of opening this one today. Alright, there we go. Let's see what we've got inside for day 6. Ooh! Day 6 are some beautiful wings. Let's take this out of the package. Oh, there's 2. It's sticker sets and it looks like it's butterfly wings, dragon wings, angel wings. These are beautiful and I'm trying to decide if they're stickers or rub-ons. They are rub-ons. Alright. This, I haven't done rub-ons in quite a while, so this will be experimenting again for me. How to do that again. So I'm going to pause the video here, go grab a few items I might want to create with, and we'll come back. Okay, I've grabbed a few items. I've grabbed some Tim Holtz paper dolls, some cabinet cards, some backings, and the Halloween sticker book. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to create yet. I don't know how big I'm going to do it. There were several different sizes of these wings on here. So I'm going to put on some music and let's see what we can make. Day 6 came together pretty quickly. I decided to do a journaling card. I cut out one of the Tim Holtz little people out of the Halloween sticker book. She was in a frame, but I cut her out because she was just the right size to go with these wings. So I backed the wings here and then used some of the rub-on splatters that were in the rub-on to add some splatter embellishments back here. And I added a sentiment that was in a different Tim Holtz sticker sentiment strips. Everything about her was exotic. I thought that fit this perfectly. And then on the back, I grabbed some mica stains in the Bubbling Cauldron, Phantom Mist, and the Crooked Broomstick, and just did some splatters to kind of mimic what was going on here in the rub-ons. And then just added my Day 6 sticker. So that came together really quickly, and I'm really pleased with how she turned out. Remember to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. And be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you're doing for this holiday season. And in the spirit of Christmas here in the attic, I want to leave you with my beverage of the day, my French vanilla coffee, and the opening of my Advent chocolate. Let's see what Day 6 holds. The gingerbread heart. And this is perfect because I'd like to wish my daughter a very happy birthday. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my beverage and my chocolate. And until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.